Okay, so welcome to another episode of Quick Calculus. In this video, we'll be talking about one-sided limits. So, lahat ng mga pinag-uusapan natin before were about two-sided limits. And kapag sinabi natin na two-sided limits, meaning nun na that the limit from the left and the right side should be equal. Okay? And meaning nun, so we have the limit as x approaches a minus of some function f of x should be equal to L. Okay? And pwede rin na that the limit of x approaches a plus of some function f of x is also equal to L. Kapag both silang equal to L, then we can say that the function f of x as x approaches a is equal to L. Pero kung let's say yung left-sided limit is equal to L and then yung right-sided limit is equal to K, then masasabi natin na the limit as x approaches a of f of x does not define. Okay? So, nagiging defined lang yung limit kapag both left and right na limits natin, approaching from the left and approaching from the right, is equal. Okay? So, pagka sinabi natin na approaching from the left, what does that mean graphically? So, for example, we have a graph here and meron kang graph. So, this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. And let's say we have a point A here. And kapag sinabi sa atin na approaching from the left, meaning all values less than A. Okay? So, this is less than A. So, lahat ng values na nandito. And pag sinabi natin na from the right, this is greater than A. So, lahat ng values na nandito. And they approach a certain value A. Okay? And tinitignan natin kung anong certain value yung ina-approach nila. Okay? So, technically, yung evaluate ng mga one-sided limits are essentially kung paano lang tayo mag-evaluate ng two-sided limits. So, again, what we do is to try to factor, simplify, and multiply by the conjugate if applicable. Okay? And again, if you are not sure kung ano yung limit natin, what you can do is to always try to substitute. Okay? Wag natin kakalimutan na mag-try na mag-substitute ng value. Okay? So, we will be seeing another example of this in the next episode. So, see you in the next episode.